Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. And today we are here with day 2 of unboxing Christmas. All right. And today we have the clipper. Well, first off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share all this. You know what to do. Go hit the button real quick. You're not doing nothing but watching me say hit the button. So just hit the button, subscribe it, like it, leave a comment, all the good stuff, right? Today we have the Simba clipper from 4Mas Professionals. If y'all watched my video and unboxing of the trimmer, I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link in the description for my review for the trimmer. But since I had the trimmer, I had to get the clipper to match it up. I did get the red clipper though instead of the black because I already had the black. I like red and black, so this made it fit. This was perfect, right? So this is I think it's the Simba. Yes, the Simba clipper from 4Mas, all right? So adjustable blade from 0.0 to 1, made for the perfect size cut. Side adjustment lever, of course, the brushless motor, 4 hours of runtime, which is good with a 90-minute charge time. All right, so it takes an hour and a half to get 4 hours of runtime. We will put that to the test though. No slip technology, dual voltage with premium charging, magnetic base, all that good stuff. So it's gonna have the same charging dock that the trimmer had. I wonder if it fits the same, but we'll see. But as you can see, same boxing pretty much. Hopefully nothing falls out. Y'all can see the clipper, nice and neat. We're gonna open this up, put the clipper to the side. If I can get it out of here. And of course, we do have the same charging dock. And in my video of the review of the trimmer, I talked about the charging dock. But this one, as you can see, does have a USB cord with it. So one of my main things was about it not being travel because you would have to take the charging dock. And they hit me up and was like, it was supposed to have a USB cord in it. My trimmer, it didn't, but you can see my clipper does. So that's a little bit better because you can take the bottom of the clipper and all the good stuff, right? So you get the charging dock, very lightweight charging dock. No, it's not the most heavy dutyest. Then it got its own guards. Now I usually don't use I will test out the guards, but I usually don't use the guards specifically when I get certain clippers and stuff. I would go back and use my wall. But I think with this, so I can start really getting a full use of, because I need to start making sure that the guards are even worth it, right? So my main thing is I will usually use the clipper, but I would just use wall guards. But I'm missing the point of what about the guards that come with it? You get what I'm saying? So what the Andes Revice showed me is not all guards are made the same. I knew that, but it made me also realize to myself to start making sure that I'm looking at the guards and making sure that it's a good fit for the clipper that it's made for, or it's not. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we got that. So let's get to the clipper. All nice and taped up. Whoa, don't come on yet. Wait a minute. All right. So that is the clipper. Come with the with a fade blade on it. I like that. I do like that color. Let me get out the frame. I do like that color of it though. Might see a problem already. And it do got the clicks. 1, 2, what's that? 4, 1, 2, 3. A 4 position lever. And that's where the magnetic is to charge into the charging base. And the problem that I had at first is not knowing, and that's on me. I wasn't paying attention that you could take that out and you can just put the USB in there. But it does come with a Type-C connector to put in there, and it magnetizes to the charger, right? So it fits right in. You know what I mean? Sleek design, click lever, red and gold. So you see the power button there. The power button on the trimmer, it's not a problem, but it just took some getting used to because you used to flipping up and down. But same position here, and it does has the LED that show you that the power is on. Let me get out the frame. The power is on, so that's cool. Click lever, like I said, and then we heard the sound. I was about to say now let's hear the sound, but we just heard it. It's not loud at all. So I can now when we cutting though, right? When we cutting, the power button is very close to the switch, but at this moment I don't see that being a problem since it's so flush that you might not hit it. But I guess depending on where you hold it, it can become. But I think we're gonna work around it and see what it's like. See what it's. That's all the way closed on here. If y'all can see that, I'm gonna still leave it as it is. That's the full opening. I don't think it says on the box that that's a full one. I'm not seeing that as a full one, especially if you zero gap it a little bit more, because it is not close at all. I don't see this getting out ball lines or low lines. So I'm gonna use it like this first, and then we're gonna see about gapping it a little bit, just to see if it's a tough call. Because when I was trying to zero gap the trimmers, a lot of people was like, you gapped it too close. I didn't do that. That's how the company sent it. But they got it so close, but the blades are so smooth that it wasn't too sharp. You get what I'm saying? So that was a good thing. All right. So that's day 2 of unboxing Christmas. We have the Simba clipper from 4Mas. And yeah, we're going to give it a go. I got a lot to try, so I'm going to have to set time to see which one's going to get used first and all that good stuff, right? But we'll get there. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos as well. And just so we're not in the same spot, we're going to switch up the background. It's still going to be the same day, but maybe I'll go somewhere else so y'all not just looking at the... All right, we'll be back. Peace.